How you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Handy Drums, the Studio Standard Edition. This is version 2.0 of their plugin. Really cool drum sounds. Just straight out of the box, you get a great sounding drum set with percussion as well. As you can see here, bongos, congas, timbales, cowbell, maracas, all this stuff. And we got basically a six-piece drum set. We got 4 toms, snare, kick, hats, ride, crashes, and then we have like splash, China type cymbals, and then this other cool thing is too, we have like this little sub mixers here. So we got the kick, snare, electronic snare mixed in there. So you have this little sub mixer, you just click on this little dot and the sub mixer comes up, and we have all these different things going on here. Then we have a groove library as well, and you can buy other ones. And then we drag to drop the MIDI right from here into your DAW if you want to use those loops. You could use other loops as well. They're MIDI, and you can program them, of course. For example, I have this on the Logic Drummer. Some of the mapping might be a little bit different, but you know, work it out. Again, there's different mappings, so we could go into, let's go find the mappings. You could change the mapping around too to edit it. If you could use the plugin as it is, you know, obviously you're gonna keep it the same here. But if you want to, you know, change things, you could do learn, and you get the velocity kicks here too. We have E-drummer mode. Go in here and do all your adjusting for your E-drums, and it's really great with the hi-hat and everything. They actually got this hi-hat thing in here where you played the hi-hat with your mod wheel, so you could do the open and close. Here it is, variable hi-hat control, and that works with the E-drums. Well, obviously you don't use the mod wheel. You actually use the hi-hat controller on the E-drums, but you use your mod wheel on your computer, or on your keyboard, rather. Sorry, on your MIDI controller to change the openness of the hi-hat, close. That's a really cool feature as well. I should also mention that this is the Studio Standard kit. It's very dry, which I like, because then you could add in your own reverbs and stuff like that with, you know, your buses and stuff like that. So I'm just adding a little room there by using a reverb plugin. Or in this case, the sunset sounds. I can't even talk today. Sorry, the sunset sounds. Whatever plugin here. And yeah. So, anyways, they have other kits that you can buy, and they're pretty inexpensive. So they have many other kits available too. Cajon and congas, I guess. They've got jazz kit, got mallet kit, they got the metal kit, the power kit, retro kits, and rock kit, vintage standard, and so on and so forth. You can check out their website. There'll be links down below, of course. And yeah, they're not too expensive either, so you can buy a bunch of them, get your sound going. Now they're very mix ready. You know, they're just, and of course it has multiple outs as well into the stereo out, so you have all your drum channels on separate channels for further mixing. But when I'm using stuff like this, I like to use everything in stereo first when I'm doing the production stuff, and then I just bust it out to the multi-tracks later. Let's see what else we got here. I love the super clean sound. All right, so cool. Check it out in the links in the video description below. Thanks for watching the first look video here. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.